Hello guys, welcome to Enershare channel again. And today, I'd like to share out the 2U size 5 kWh, the assembly lines. This is the assembly of the 2U size 2 kWh. We can see the power on button. It's green light. Here is showing the SOC status. The true communication is to connect the batteries communication, and the other one is for the inverter, and this area is for logo area, and this is for positive and negative to connect to the batteries. And we can see the inner structure. This is the BSM area, and the cable assembling cables here to testing the cells, the temperature, the current, and voltage, and so on. And for this area, the undercase is the cells, and for this case, the black one is just protect the cells, and the four foams are protect the batteries for shaking proof.